Coming up on the frontier. Shit, that place is a fucking fortress. I'm gonna stay low to avoid detection. You're gonna have to find a way to do the same. You know, maybe actually be stealthy for once.
Hey, I can be stealthy. That's why I dug out my old Marshal uniform, to blend in. I'm like a total stealth pro.
Seriously? You used a hand grenade to open a bottle of beer.
That was one time. On the roof. Stay in the air. I'll be out with our new recruit in no time.
10-4.
I'm in.
Need to remember to stealth. Keep moving, and don't let any guards get a good look at your face.
If they do, I'll bluff my way through. I got this.
Hey, I don't recognize you.
Yeah, this is my first night shift.
Keep moving. Don't give them time to think about it.
Attention guests! A reminder that all constitutional protections are suspended on frontier property, pursuant to Congressional Secret Act number 88.
Okay, I'm gonna make quick contact with the Nawali, then keep going to the control room to disable the lock on his cell.
Make it fast. I don't know how long I can hold this position.
Can't talk. The brass has me running errands.
Have I seen you before?
See? I can so stealth.
You know what stealthy people don't do? Squawk about how stealthy they are.
Yeah. VIP cell's just down here.
Hey, I don't know you.
I don't know you either. It's a big company. Hey, wanna get out of here?
You put me in here.
Career change. Got a job in mind for you. Sit tight.
What are you doing in here?
Passing through to meet my CO.
How are you getting into the control room?
I'm gonna walk in like I own the place and press the button.
That seriously does not count as stealthing.
It does if it works. Evening.
What are you doing?
Orders.
Whose orders? I give the... Wait a minute. You're the one who got fired because of that museum fiasco.
Fuck.
Lock and load.
Warning, guard down. Implementing lockdown.
Double fuck? Gotta get out of here. Maybe busting the servers.
Back up to the maximum security! Back up now!
Malfunction. Containment system down.
The Nawali's loose!
Nuwali! Get back in your cell!
Help the Nawali.
Containment system down in the Nuwali cell!
Wow. We should go.
What makes you think there is a we?
If there's not, you'll never know why I risked breaking you out.
Very well, lead on.
Okay, Nina, you were right. I suck at stealth. I'm gonna do my thing now.
You mean shoot your way out?
I mean, shoot my way out.
Why bother hiding? No, I'm fighting.
The door's locked.
So we kill all the guards in this room. They'll have to open the door to send reinforcements.
Good call.
And here I thought I was following you.
I'm just scared. Warm up on me.
This is Atticus, Marshal. Get my prison back under control. Get those vermin back to their cells. And get me cameras. I want to know who's behind me. You? What the hell are you doing in my prison? I fired your ass. God damn.
You can't talk, Atticus. Busy breaking out prisoners.
On their side. No good. Take cover.
Kill the guard.
Why would you do that?
I authorize lethal containment measures.
Nina, sure could use that pickup now.
No can do. You started a prison riot. The whole place is lit up like a Christmas tree. I can't get anywhere close.
Okay, change of plans. Down instead of up. We'll steal a car.
Careless, but opportunistic. Interesting.
I can't forgive that.
I miss my old knife.
You can't stop me.
Think you could hold me?
Tear you apart.
Martial standards are so low.
You're mine now.
Over here.
Why do they try?
Let's go toe to toe.
Oh, you done fucked up now.
Why are you attacking me?
Cover. I need to reload.
I reckon it isn't coming.
Take them all down.
Oh!
The main gates are still open. Just get yourself a car and drive through.
Get the servers back up.
Get in the car.
Pull back.
Aim for the gates!
I see them. They're headed for the gates.
Close the gates! Close the gates!
Hurry, they're shutting you in!
So much for going out the front.
Shit. Nina, you got eyes on an escape route?
Can't see anything. They're chasing me out of the airspace.
So you only planned half a rescue.
Don't wait around. Get out of there.
Okay. There, we're out of the prison.
And how will you get out of the canyon?
To the left. Which is taking us back to the prison, shit.
No, we can drive across the roof.
My plan exactly?
I applaud your courage.
Return all prisoners to their cells!
Woo! That was fun, huh? Oh, you hungry?
Thanks for stopping.
Figured you could use a good meal. Okay. Good's a little generous. Alright, it's a lot generous. But I'm willing to bet it's better than what they serve you in the frontier.
I appreciate it. And my freedom. Even if you're the one who put me there.
Oh, shit. Is this gonna be a problem?
I know what it feels like to be judged for following orders.
Sounds like a hell of a story.
It is.
You wanna tell me?
We're not friends.
We could be.
I should go.
You need a ride?
No. It will be nice to walk. But thank you for offering. Call me when you're ready to talk about the job.
Hey, I hope this thing with the Nawali works out, because we really kicked the hornet's nest on this one.
What do you mean?
I mean, Marshall is out in force. They've set up checkpoints and roadblocks all over the west side of town, looking for you and the Nawali.
I can stay ahead of Marshall.
Are you sure? Because from what I hear, they have orders to shoot you on sight.
Hey, we got another company meeting coming up to discuss the, training program.
Just call it a train heist. Nobody's listening.
Can we at least pretend operational security is a... Never mind. It's your turn to get donuts.
Fine. I'm on it.
Hey, move it. This is getting me angry.
Of course there's a line. Hey Nina, I'm grabbing donuts for the meeting. Any preferences?
Ooh, give me the special.
You want me to check what it is first?
It's a donut, and it's special. What else do I need to know?
Hey Kev, picking up donuts. Want anything?
Oh, man.
I should probably avoid the carbs.
I thought it was... Of course there's a line. Hey Nina, I'm grabbing donuts for the meeting. Any preferences?
Ooh.
Of course there's a line. Hey Nina, I'm grabbing donuts for the meeting. Any preferences?
Ooh, give me the special.
You want me to check what it is first?
It's a donut and it's special. What else do I need to know?
Hey Kev, picking up donuts. Want anything?
Oh man. I should probably avoid the carbs.
I thought it was cheat day.
That's Tuesdays. Yeah, which donut place? Maybe I'll make an exception.
Holy cow, it's you! Oh, Mama, it's my lucky day!
The fuck? Bad move. What the hell's going on?
Sounds like you're... Oh shit, yeah, you're on the wanted app.
I'm what?
Anybody in town could be trying to kill you for the bounty. Stay there. I'm on my way. Just stay there.
Next time, Eli buys the donuts. Fucking amateurs.
Your death is gonna change my life!
Oh! Bad move. Not dying at the donut shop.
Oh, finally come in!
Any time now, Kev.
That bounty's mine!
Everyone's trying to break into the murder business.
I'm almost out front. Don't worry, I've got a plan.
Now you're fucked.
Get in! Hurry!
Come on, let's go!
One more down.
You don't want to stick around here! Any idea who might have put you on wanted?
Take your pick. Marshall, the Idols, Los Panteros, somebody's widow or orphan.
Right.
Pretty sure I've got a former college roommate who might have done it.
Well, whoever it is has money. The bounty they set is huge, look.
Holy shit! I'd almost off myself for that money. Is that my DMV pick?
Hey, that went better than I expected.
So what's your plan? Is it better than me murdering my way through every wannabe killer in town?
It is. I'm taking you to my buddies, Hank and Claude. They designed the Wanted app. They can take you off it.
You sure?
Yeah, they're cool.
They brought the gig economy to murder for hire.
Well, it started as a dating app, but the market was so crowded, you know? I'm glad they found their niche.
You're done. Oh! So how do you know these two hacker guys?
Through Wanted, back when it was a dating app.
You dated one of them?
Both. We had a really special week together.
Excuse me?
Where are the haters now? Holy shit! Someone set up a roadblock. Another roadblock. These guys are getting serious.
Oh! Gah! Still got it.
Hold on, I'm out of bullets. There's their house. We're almost out of this. Hank, Claude.
Hi, Kev. What a pleasure.
I need a favor. My friend ended up on your Wanted app and needs to get taken off.
Oh, I'm sorry. We never curate user content on the Wanted app. Corporate policy!
Yeah? How about I put you two jokers on the app?
Wait, what?
We got more users incoming.
We'll hold them off if you two clean up this mess.
Motion to amend corporate policy? Second! All in favor? Aye! Motion passes. Hurry! Take us all off!
Sorry for putting a hit out on your friends there, Kev.
Nah, they were kinda asking for it.
One more down. Oh, hell no!
Killing people for money is harder than I thought. You're really making us earn it, huh?
If we rush him, we can split
How's it going back there?
We just need to update the database. I think you mean reinitialize the server? The posts are in the database, but the server is what pushes them.
I'm gonna fucking die over this? You done fucked go. Oh!
This is the big one! Holy shit, that was nuts! The gig economy works, fool! I'll make a mint off of you. I've been after you since the donut stand, and I'm not gonna...
Okay, it's done. Mom needs to cancel.
I don't want to fight.
Looks like they're backing off.
You know, I'm thinking maybe the Saints ought to take that app off your hands. For everyone's safety.
You mean, like a buyout?
Sure.
Cool. We own the Wanted app now.
Yeah, but we're super late for Eli's meeting.
It's me. I'm waiting. Are we going to plan this train robbery or not?
I was just about to call you. It's time to start preparing. Meet me at the church.
Finally.
Sorry about not being able to connect the other day. A whole lot of people tried to kill me, so I had to, you know, murder the shit out of them, and, well, time got away from me.
It happens.
You meet the rest of the crew yet?
No, I was waiting for you.
Well, let's meet them. Hey everyone, I'd like to introduce you to the Nahuali. He's here to make our train-robbing dreams a reality.
It's nice to meet you, sir. I'm Eli.
I'm Kevin. Everyone calls me Kev.
You're not wearing a shirt.
Less shirt, more power.
I'm not sure that's how it works.
Yeah, don't try to figure it out. I'm Nina. It's nice to meet you.
Yes, a pleasure. So, shall we plan the heist?
No.
I thought you called me here because you wanted to prepare for the robbery.
Correct.
So we are planning the heist?
No.
Okay, I must admit, I'm confused. What are we doing?
Team building.
What?
Look, you don't know us, we don't know you, but we're putting our lives in each other's hands, so we need to be on the same page. Eli threw out the idea that we should spend a day doing some team-building exercises. You know, so we can really get a sense of camaraderie.
We have hats.
I thought we agreed to use the fleur.
This is better.
I'm with Nina.
I have so many questions.
And that, my friend, is what team building is all about.
Check it out. The best RV money can rent.
Shotgun! Everyone get in!
Well, this vehicle is well stocked with beer, but I don't see any guns.
Nope, no guns today.
So, it's to be knife work, then.
What? No, we're just gonna have a regular, non-murdery bonding day with friends.
Everybody gets to choose one activity they want to do.
And then, we all go do it.
I'm up first, and I brought the spray paint. I know a place in Mercado that's just begging for a Saints mural.
Isn't that Pantero's turf?
All the more reason.
All right. We get to see the magic happen.
So, we are engaging in common vandalism.
Excuse me?
Whoa! No, it's not vandalism, it's art.
Damn right it is.
Art made illegally. With spray paint.
Look, Nina's really good. It'll be an awesome mural for everyone to enjoy. You'll see.
Are you sure we shouldn't be planning the heist?
Yes, I planned today to be just for fun.
Why don't we cut the tension with a little dubstep?
I'd rather hear some ranchera.
What are you talking about? When they finally drop the bass, the relief is infectious.
We could ask our guest what he likes.
Roger McGillicuddy has this amazing new podcast.
No.
I'd rather not.
No way. Here we go. Not a bad example of my orange period, but I can do better now. Let's put some morado in mercado.
This is what you do? Painting? I thought you were criminals.
No! I mean, yeah. This is Pantero's turf. Nina ran with them before we started the Saints, so for her to be here, putting up our colors...
Ah, she's showing defiance in the face of her enemies. This, I understand.
Shit. We got Panteros incoming.
I thought we'd be out of here before they found us.
I'm not stopping now. Cover me.
But it's a murder-free day. Oh, damn it.
Friendly fire is not friendly.
Cram this up your ass! Hey!
Wait until Sergio hears about this. Fuck!
Thanks for getting rid of those assholes. Now I can get down to business. And done.
Damn, Nina. Another masterpiece.
Agreed. Now that I understand the context, it is impressive work.
And now that there's no one left to kill, we can get back to having fun. Back to the RV.
So, who's up next?
Me. I have found a new bar in action. It's got 5 stars, a huge tequila selection, and karaoke.
Oh man, it's been ages since we've done karaoke.
Hey, Nawali, what's your karaoke song?
I do not sing with strangers.
Then it's good we're friends now, isn't it?
I guess anything but Love Shack.
Love Shack? We haven't done Love Shack since Ghost Pepper Night.
Kevin, we do not talk about Ghost Pepper Night.
I made Ghost Pepper chili. It was too spicy.
They were not ghost peppers. They were demon peppers. Spent 2 fucking days in the bathroom.
I got some in my eye. It was bad. All right, let's get this party kicking.
Apart from the karaoke, this is my kind of place. Well done, Eli.
Barkeep, I need 5 tequilas, the karaoke book, and a plate of your best flautas.
Marshal security, we're looking for... Holy shit, the Nawali! Call the strike team, quick!
Fuck. We better stop him.
I know.
You better run before that strike team gets here.
Too late.
They got hover bikes?
We'll have to fight our way out.
Damn it. This is not how this was supposed to go.
You better not have fucked up my tattoos.
Reloading. You should invest in paint. Hold the line. Don't let them out.
Seriously? Marshall has hover bikes now? Too cool.
They would be very useful for the train heist.
We're not discussing the...
I'm changing my activity. Let's steal a hover bike and race it at Jet Ski Point.
Fair.
You and the Nawali grab the bike. We'll meet you there.
Why do you seem to hate your job so much?
What? I don't hate my job.
You are a professional, cold-blooded killer like me, no? And yet, you do not wish to fight on your off hours. You know, when you love what you do, you never work a day in your life. Look at your friend, Kevin. Everything he does with gusto.
Hey, I murder with gusto. I just... Don't you ever want a day off? A killcation?
No?
Oh. Let's maybe keep that bit from Eli, huh?
There you are. Took you long enough.
Okay, we're here, we're clear. Let's have some good, clean fun with this baby, huh?
Lead on.
Jet Ski Point belongs to the idols.
Non-believers not welcome!
Yeah, what the hell? This place is crawling with idols.
Yeah, that's how I know the spot. They race jet skis here.
This was not the plan, Kevin.
Looks like there are more that way. This bike will do well for them. I win.
Thing we are not talking about.
Reloading. It is like shooting very stupid fish in a barrel. You dare hit me?
Okay. Is that it? Are we done? Can we joyride in peace now?
You bet. Come on back and we can... Oh, shit. There's more Marshal rolling up. I guess we didn't shake him after all.
We'll be right there.
We gotta get out of here.
Surrender the Nawali and return our stolen hoverbike.
More Marshal incoming.
They're shooting the RV. This is a riddle.
Never getting my deposit back.
Just drive. We'll hold them off. You did not just do that.
Time.
Days off are important for psychological health.
One more down. I'm out.
Reinforcements, now!
We're supposed to be bonding.
You! Saints! You think you can tag on Pantero's turf whenever you want? Nobody gets away with that! Nobody!
Shit! Pantero's picked us up again, too! We gotta lose these guys.
How? Marshall's probably tracking the fucking bike.
I can disable their tracker, but I'll need time.
I know a place, a safe house, where we can hide the bike and arm ourselves against our enemies.
But
I insist, this is my choice of activity. Nina, head for the old graveyard west of Panther Rock.
back off. We're fucking bonding.
Your end is near. We're here. I have weapons inside. I'll stash the hoverbike. The rest of you keep watch. You, my friend, I have a special weapon you may borrow. Try it out, and use it to do what you love.
Whoa, hey, thanks.
Now then, shall we meet the foe on our terms?
Yeah.
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 Fuck yeah.
Oh, Jesus. The idols found us too.
Then let's go fuck them up.
Don't start. Can't finish.
Okay.
Shit! I'm ready for a brawl. Where did all these people come from?
Hey, that was me you kissed.
Join
And this way.
Holly, you got nice toys.
I am not the target.
What the? You can't even lift this! What the? That's for crossing me.
Did we win? I think we won.
Hey, everybody. I'm sorry today went to shit. I had this perfect plan, and it just went off the rails.
Which makes it different from all your other plans. How exactly?
Anyway, don't worry about it. Today was awesome.
It's true. I cannot recall having a more memorable time.
Same here. Not since Ghost Pepper Night.
Kevin, we do not speak of Ghost Pepper Night, eh?
Come on.
Hand to God.
Even I think that's crazy.
Hey, when you're dealing with the Aztec cartel, it's best not to ask why and just go with it. It's getting late. I should probably get going. Thanks for dinner, Kev. It was great.
Thanks, man. The marinade does all the work.
You're too modest.
Drive safe.
Thank you. And please, make Kev wear a shirt.
I'll see what I can do.
Not gonna fucking happen.
Let me walk you out. Look, I know we're kind of ridiculous, but when push comes to shove, there's no one I want more by my side than those guys.
They're good people.
They are. I guess what I'm saying is, I know you're looking at the heist as a one-and-done sort of thing. You know, a debt that you're paying off, but it doesn't have to be.
I'll think about it.
Please do.
Sup, Chief?